Okay, so this is the visibility. That's the other side of the highway. That's about all we got.
Well, you can't. Thank you.
So this is why we had to leave the mountain early. It's kind of crazy. And this is the first time I've ever been in anything like this. Like snow falling on me at all, and this is what I get. Awesome. And as you can hear, the sound that you're hearing, that obviously is not snow, that's grapple. That means snow melted a little bit and then refroze into an ice cube, and then it had more snow accumulation, snow formation around that little ice cube. So, yeah, good times.